What's good? It's MyMixEngineer, and on this channel I break down real mixing techniques, workflows, and everything I use to get an industry quality sound. And today we're talking about time stretching in Luna the right way. Alright, so I have a session pulled up here and I have a 2-track in it. And I want to show you guys, like, using time stretch, you can use it creatively. You can use it in the beginning to slow down the beat, or you can use it at the end, or outro. It sounds good as well. But there's also some places in the middle that you can be creative to use this. For this video and for time purposes, I want to just go to and show you exactly how to do this in Luna. So first thing first, let's go ahead and get this beat. Let's get the tempo. Okay, the tempo is 100. Let's find a nice little spot towards the end. Let's get a couple bars. Let's say, all right, so that's a great spot. And we'll go Command E, cut here. Now, make sure you either using Luna polyphonic, or you can just go polyphonic. I'm using Luna polyphonic. There's no real reason why I'm just using it. I just know it's polyphonic. It is what it is. All right, so the trick is we want to, let's say, have time it. We'll go to this tip right here and we'll click option. And when I click option, you'll see have the bracket, it'll plus sign in up in the middle. See, option, there's a plus sign in the middle. I'm letting it go. It goes away there. So I can't do anything but cut it if I go without holding option, right? Now holding option, look at there, 2, 3, 4. Let's go here. Now take a listen. Pretty neat, huh? All right, so let's go back. Let's redo that. Back to original. All right, so for the guys who missed it, if I was moving a little too fast for you, you find your section. This is the section I want. Okay, let's go here. Command E, cutting that section so that it doesn't affect this side. And I want to go here to the bottom right. Option, click, drag. 1, 2, 3, 4. I do 4. That's 5, 6. Let's go 7, 8. Let's go 7, 8. 7, 8. All right, zoom out. Let's take a listen. Sounds funny. That's a little too much. Let's go back right there. All right, so let's listen to it in context. And that's how you do it, you guys. Pretty simple, right? Pretty simple. So I hope this helped you guys out. This works in vocals as well. You can use it on vocals. You can use it on anything. Just make sure you have these settings. Just remember, mixing is an art. Be you. Stay true. I'm mad.